Hello. Finished product. Finished product. You've seen lots of pictures of this, but not with the board on the bottom. So everything going there. The original roller button, decoder, some newer style buttons. Oh, the wood here, I'm going to drill some holes just before I put it in the box. So I guess 2 holes. Unless you want to bring it up to a table, I guess, and clamp it with something. It's still going to lift upwards like that. So I see if you can put screws right in your table. Okay, it might damage your desk, but hey, I'll give you these screws here. They're very thin, the drywall screws to put in your desk, and then this thing will not move. Alrighty, take care.